Okay guys, welcome back. This is a small Thailand squid fishing boat being launched off the beach at sunset. You see the big lights? That's to attract the squid. They fish all night. This boat is sitting on a trailer. Basically it's a dolly, an homemade dolly. But this is the first time the boat's been launched after about a week-long storm. So the tires and everything, you look on the other ones there as well, they're sanded in. So it's hard to get her to start moving. Once the boat is in the water, they push the dolly off. She's just sitting there. It's just gravity keeping her on. Once they get the dolly off, they'll bring her back, and in the morning, they'll bring the dolly back out into the ocean, and they use a winch to pull the boat back onto the beach. This is a beautiful evening. Quite a lot of boats got launched. Almost all the ones on the beach ended up going before it got dark. Looks like fun. I believe this is one man by himself that's fishing alone, and the other guys are just helping them. Once they get the dolly out, the boat just steams away, and the other guys brought the dolly back to the beach.